Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Shazam without downloading the app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to open the settings, and now you will be able to see the interface or settings sections on in the screen, where you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see the control center just down below of the general option. Simply tap on that control center and now you'll be redirected to the control center section, where you can see the music recognition at the bottom of this screen. So let me remove it first to show you a demo from the scratch. Now you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see the music recognition. Simply tap on that plus icon and now you will be able to add it to your control panel successfully. So if you want to access it, you simply need to slide it from the top right corner of this screen and you will be able to see the Shazam icon at the bottom right corner of this control panel. So if you want to access it, simply tap on that icon and you will be able to access it. And if you want to disable it, simply tap on that icon again and you'll be able to turn off your Shazam icon successfully. Shazam successfully. So basically this is how you can use Shazam without downloading the app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.